Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel SFDC Work on Skill. This is Amir Arsad. In the last video, we see how to use how to create a user in Salesforce.org or sign up in Salesforce.org, and we also see the trailhead, how we will use the trailhead, and how we uh, how we link Salesforce to Salesforce.org to trailhead.org. So today we will see and we will learn what is the setup menu and how can we use it. The setup menu in Salesforce is a centralized location where administrator can configure and customize the various of Salesforce platform. So basically, the setup menu is nothing but is like if we want to configure, if we want to create a custom uh, object app, and it is the control center of managing and setting security, user data, and other important element within your Salesforce org. The setup menu provide a point and click interface for administrator to customize the Salesforce org. So let's go the org and see what is the setup menu. This is very important in the Salesforce, and with the help of setup menu, we will create everything in the Salesforce. So this is our org, and I will navigate you how we'll go to the setup menu. Supposed to be if we open our org and we see the service app. This is the standard Salesforce app, and if we want to go to the setup menu, so this icon is called setup gear icon, and we will if we click it here, so it will navigate to the our setup menu. So if we click it here, so we will see setup, service setup, developer console, and edit page. So we will see developer console and edit page in later on. First we will see what is the setup menu. So if we click in the setup menu, so Salesforce navigate here quick find box, and these all the things is it will it will be used in the when we configure the object, and we'll provide the data support, and provide if we want to create a user object manager. So the setup menu give us everything. So this is the navigation if we want to go to uh, any users data emails. So we have to go in the setup menu in two way. We can go if we remember the navigation, so we have to go directly, like if we know, if we click in the user, so in the user we have the permission set group, permission set, profile, public group, queue, role, user managing setting, and user. If and if we click in the data, so in the data we have big object, data export, data integration, data duplicate management, mass delete. So this is the navigation of the data. So simple this way we have the email. So if we click in the email, so we have to navigate the apex exception email class, classic email templates, classic letterhead. So if we remember the path, we have to go directly. Otherwise, if we want to supposed to be if we want to go to the user, so we will simply find it here. We will type here user, and we will click in the user. So it will open the user, how many user in your org. So simple, we if we see the view mode is all user. So if we select the active user, So if supposed to be, if I deactivate this user, like if the chatter user, let deactivate this user and click it save. So see, we cannot see the user who which is deactivated. If we select the all user, so we have to see this four user in this org. If we select only active user, so we'll see only the active user. The three user is the active user. So this is the setup, and if we want to go to the object, so we have to be click in the object manager, and you will find all the object here. Suppose to, if you want to create a custom object, simply you create here custom object. So you can create the as per your requirement, you can start creating your custom object. So setup menu is everything in the Salesforce. In the setup, with the help of this setup menu, we have to go to the quick find box, and whatever the our need, we can find it. We have to go by this navigation. So this is all about the setup menu. And if you come it here, and you if you play with this all these option, like how in the user, what is inside the user, what is the sub of like permission set, profile, public group, queue, role, user managing setting. So all this, the platform tools. In the platform tools, we have the subscription management, app, feature settings. So all these MuleSoft and everything in the setup. In the setup, you can find that the security and privacy center. So everything in the setup. And our the second thing is, we will have to learn also how to create a custom app using the Salesforce extended tab and object. So simply, so anything, if you want to go to the create object tab, everything in, so we have to come to here in the setup menu. So we have always use the setup menu here. So we will click in the setup menu, go to the setup, and create here app manager. App manager, simply type it here, app manager, click it app in app manager. When we come in the app manager, so we see these all are the standard app which is provided by the Salesforce. Whatever the app you see it in the app launcher, all the app is here also. So if in the standard app, if we want to be changes, like if you want to remove some object, tab, chatter, account, so you can simply drag and drop here. So but in this but we have to we will see how we'll create the custom app using the extended tab. So simply the app manager. So we'll see the app manager inside the apps. So we'll click in the app manager, create new lightning app. So when we click in the new lightning app, we will see the app. We will see this the app detail branding. So we will provide the detail here app, like whatever the you want to give your app name. So we'll simply give it here the app name, like I will give SFDC work on skill training app. And you will, if you want to keep if you want to give any logo or image, so you have to give this your logo. select your logo and simple click upload, then click next. And you have to see here the navigation and form factor. So we have navigation style. There is the supported, the extended navigation and console navigation. These are the two types of the navigation style. And support form factor is desktop and phone, and desktop and phone. So simply we select as per the standard, and we have to click in next. Utility, if you want to be add some utility item, you can simply click it add utility item. In the add utility, you will find the chatter feed and crm flow, list view, all this all this the extended component it here. So simply I'm skipping this one, and I will not add any utility in our app. Simple click in next, and here we will in the navigation item, choose the item to include the app. So if you want to add some object and some object, some standard at custom object, so still we didn't create any custom object here, so we will select the standard object like account. You can select it account here and simply move it here, so it will come it here account, and like we'll type lead. So type it here, select it here lead, like contract, click it here contact. If you want to be add one and more, simply click into your control, press your control and select it the other object also. Like we have to select the three object, so press is the control and click next this add button, so it will select all multiple object at a time. And if you want to add, if you want to remove, simply select the one and remove it here. And if you want to add any other object like opportunity, simple type opportunity. So we see how we'll adding this our object. Click it here next. And if when we created the custom app, if you don't want to show your app to some profile, so simply you don't select the profile. If you want to see the this app only for the admin user, so we will select admin. So this admin user, we will select the profile here, edit the profile. So choose the user to profile that can access this app, means whatever the whatever the profile we selected here, those profile only can see this app, which we will create the custom app. That app only those profile can able to see. Other profile, if you not select, the other profile will not unable to see the app. So simply click finish here, save and finish. So if you see here, so your app is, so we can see it, the sftx work on skill. This is our app. If you want to be changes here, you can simply click it here and edit it. And if you want to clone, you can clone it here. So we will see this app here also. If we click app launcher, view all, so see, this is our custom app using the Salesforce standard object. See, so all about this is all about how we'll create the object. Sorry, all about how we'll create the custom app using the extended tab. So thank you guys uh, for watching this video. Hopefully you will like this video. I know that this is very basic in the Salesforce, but those who are beginner and those who are started uh, career in Salesforce, this is helpful for those people. And in the next video we will see how to will create the object fields relation, one object, how we'll create the one object to another object relationship, and we will see the full custom app using the point and click tool, and how we will create the custom object, custom fields, profiles, everything. With In the next video we'll try to cover one by one every topic. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks again.